Look at that. What else do you need? This is the view from here and it's really fantastic. Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great, and right now I am in Wayanad. I know most of you people like traveling and going to different places, and you will be in search of different resorts and something new. I am in such a place, and yes, I am in front of a resort called Bluebell. It is in Wayanad and it is in the place called Periya. From Manandavadi, you need to travel like around 20 to 30 kilometers through the forest. The drive is absolutely fantastic, and you will be driving through coffee plantations and tea plantations, and then you will be reaching this beautiful resort called the Bluebell. It's an absolutely fantastic stay, and the concept here is completely different. They have a different kind of structures there. As you can see, they have tree trunk buildings. You have heard of tree houses, but these are tree trunk buildings. And come, let's go and I will show you around how the buildings are. Let's go in and check out how it is and what all are there. Yes, I have finally reached here on top, and you can see this fantastic artwork here. It's really beautiful. As you enter, this is what you see here. Look, what is this? These are tea plantations. Yes, this property is among tea plantations. Look at that beautiful structure. It's wonderfully done, and when I asked the owner, he told me it took him around 4 years to complete this structure. So that is how much of effort that has gone into it. And these are rooms. You can see there are some windows in the tree trunks. So there are 3 stories, totally 4 stories. Below there is some artwork, and there are 3 stories. The first floor, second floor and third floor are rooms. And look at this. It's really fantastic and amazing. I have never seen a structure like this. So yes, let's enter into the trunk house. This is something special, and it's as if I'm entering into a cave. Look at it. It's really nice. And I will go up and let's see what is up there. It's really fantastic seeing from here, and I just love the structure. It's really nice. Beautiful. It's done. I think these are wood. These are made of wood, and it's really nice. As I come here, I have this beautiful view of the tea plantations. Look at that. What else do you need from a stay like this? A getaway place, and you have this beautiful tea plantations. And so let's enter into the first room here. This is the first floor, and this is the first room. Look at it. Really beautiful. And as I enter here, we have a double cot bed here. It's really nice, and you have a mirror here for dressing, and there is a chair here to sit down and do the dressing. And now I will show you something special. Look at this view. It's really fantastic, and look at the kind of light coming out from here. And also there's another window there. It's amazing. The view from here is amazing. I'm in love with this place. Look at it. This is the place where you'll be sleeping, and imagine if there is fog covered up with this place. And this is bathroom attached to it. This is a pretty decent bathroom. You have a commode, you have a hand wash, exhaust fan, and a place to shower. Don't think that it is pretty small or something like that, because you know the space constraint. It is on a tree house or a tree trunk, and that is how it is. So let's go in and move into the second room. This is the first room that I showed, and you have all these handrails. These are made of concrete, but it looks like wood. So let's go up. The walk also is beautiful. Look at this, it's really beautiful. So I'm walking up my way to the second floor. This is the place where we have the second room. So I will enter into the second room. Wow, look at that, really beautiful. There's a mirror here in case you need to have your dressing. You have a TV with all the cable connections, a wonderful photo there, and then the double cot bed you have with all the comforter and all that stuff. You will really need comforters here because it's pretty cool out here. And there's a hand wash here, and then the bathroom here. You have a pretty decent commode and a pretty decent place to stand and take bath. Yes, this is more than enough for one person to stand and take bath, and it's fantastic. So there is something special in this room and something exciting. Yes, this is that part. Yes, there is this beautiful balcony we have here, and there are 2 chairs here. Oh my god, this is fantastic. Look at the view from here. This is the balcony. Who wouldn't love to have such a balcony and enjoy this place? And that is the tea plantations that I showed you earlier that I am able to see from here. Beautiful. Also, there are tea plantations down here. This is the view that we get here. So in case you want to spend quality time, I will just come down, sit here. Yes, I was about to fall. It is too low. I will just sit here. Maybe I am alone, or who are couples or someone like that. These rooms are normally for couples or family. So you come here, sit down, have a great time. It's seriously beautiful, wonderful, and no words to explain. I've never been to a property like this, but this is really amazing, wonderful. And if there is fog or rain, it should be really fantastic. So I will go into the next room that is on the 3rd floor. This walk is really nice and it's pretty clean. Huh? You can see all the rooms, the floorings are wood, and it is pretty clean. That is something that I love. So coming up here, this is the 3rd room we have, and this is an AC room, and you have this double cot bed here. Then you have the same bathroom. As I go in, spacious enough for using, and there's a hand wash, there's a commode, and then there is spacious lavish place to take bath. So, and one more thing I will show here is this view from the bed. Oh my god, look at that. What else do you need? This is the view from here, and it's really fantastic. You will be in close touch with the nature. So this is the AC room that we have, and also it is not over here. You have these views or glasses for lighting coming into these passages. And also one more thing, as I go out, there is a rooftop here, so you can enjoy that also. This place is also open for the guests in case you want to go up. Yes, this is the rooftop. In case you are adventurous enough to climb, you can come over here and stay. It is safe enough. You have these hand railings done in a different way, and it is safe enough to stay over here and have a great view. It's wonderful. Look at that view. Wow, that was something fantastic and amazing. Never seen something like that either in my real life or in videos. And I've seen lots of tree houses, but this is something different. This is fantastic. And yes, after we enter the tree house, as we come out, there is the swimming pool that we have there. Come, let's go and see how the swimming pool is. It's really nice. These steps, you can see, they are made of rocks and concrete. It's pretty beautiful, and if it is raining, this place would be really fantastic. It's such a beautiful place, and I am walking among tea plantations. Look at that. These are tea plantations and it's really beautiful. Woo! Yes, come, let's go on to the swimming pool. I want to dive into it, but now I actually am not in the dressing. This is the reception area and you can see the boarding here, Bluebell, and this is the restaurant. It is a pretty decent restaurant as far as I know, and the food is also good here. Here you have all the hand wash and all that stuff, and the beautiful part is the scenery doesn't end even at the restaurants. It's beautiful view even from the restaurants, and there is something like a party spaces or something like that here. In case you want to have party, you want to play something, you have open terraces here. It's fantastically done, and this concept is really nice. You have a carom board here in case you want to play, and you have an open terrace here for some party or events like that. It's really beautiful, and that's the trunk house there. So there is another floor up also. Here you have space for party. So this is a restaurant. As I am walking down, there is another cottage also that they provide. This cottage has 2 bedrooms. So let's go in and check out how the cottage is. So this is the cottage. You can see how it is being made. It is made of bricks and those earthen bricks. It's called the vettikal in Malayalam. This is not concrete or made of cement and then painted as you see in many of the resorts. This is the actual bricks that is cut from the mud and then used here directly. These are actual bricks, and you can see this is the resort. It looks like an old Nalukettu building. This is the entrance of it. So at the side of it, you have a place to sit down and relax here. You can see here there is this beautiful chair kind of a hut kind of a structure where you can sit down and relax. And I will enter in and I will show you guys. As I enter, there are 2 chairs to sit here. I will go around the building first so that you can see how it is. You have those lampstands and all that for that. So in case you want to spend quality time here in the evening outside amongst this nature, you can see here you have coffee plantations and at the top you have tea plantations. So in case you want to spend beautiful time, you can sit out here and have a great time. And as I enter here, you can see these doors. The doors are made like the old Kerala traditional style doors. It looks really beautiful. The whole concept of this is the old building, and as I enter, this is the hall here. This is a wonderful hall. We have a TV with all the channels that are available, and this is the hall where you can just, as a common room, you can sit down and all that. You have few photographs and such things, and this is the first bedroom. As I enter, you can see the double cot bed. Not that spacious, but it's really cool inside because it is made up of bricks. It is really cool, and from this window you have a good view of nature from there in case you are opening the window. And also as I move in, here we have bathroom. And here is a small kitchen kind of an area. Now as I enter, this is the second bedroom. This is little more spacious than that. I need to go down also, and it is pretty cool here. It is cooler than the outside temperature. The area is already cool, and also it is even more cooler inside. It looks really nice. The flooring is the wooden flooring. It's really nice, so it adds to the coolness of this place. It's really nice. and the beds are really good enough to accommodate 2 people. Also, one family coming with a kid, it is more than enough for them. And also there is a bathroom attached to this bedroom. So this is how it is. This is even more spacious than the other bathroom that I had showed. You have a commode there, you have a shower here to take bath, and then the mirror and hand wash and all that. So this is a pretty spacious bathroom according to me, and you have hot water being provided here also. The other geyser will give hot water to this room also. So this is a beautiful stay, and in case you are coming as a family also, you can take the whole thing. In case only 2 people, you will be able to take the 1 bedroom that is required. So this is a beautiful place and it looks really nice, and I fell in love with this cottage. It's really nice, it's really cool inside. Now you can see it's so sunny and it's hot, but when I was inside, I was feeling cool inside, and it's really a nice place to stay. So I will enter into the trunk house here. Look at this structures, it's really beautiful. It's like the roots going down from the banyan tree. It's as if you are climbing a banyan tree, and these are made of wood. It is made of wood and it is really nice. So as I am going here on the first floor, here the work is just going on. The guests just checked out, so they just give me the opportunity to get in and take a video. This is the same room as we saw on the other trunk trees also. This is the double cot bed, and look at this view from here. It's really nice. So all these trunk house rooms have these beautiful views, and these rooms are a little more spacious than the other ones. You have a sofa, place to sit down, and there is a mirror just in case you want to have your dressing. You have TV, you have a telephone in case you want to contact the reception for any emergency, and then you have a balcony also here. It's really nice. You have a balcony here, and you can sit down here and get lost into this nature view. And as I walk forward, we have this bathroom here. It's pretty basic and simple, and it is neat. You have a hand wash, the commode, and the shower for taking bath and all that stuff. You have hot water in all the rooms, and that's pretty good. And you have an AC, as I told before. So this is all about the rooms here, and there are more rooms as I go up. This is the second room in this trunk house. It's the same, pretty almost similar to all the rooms. You have the double cot bed, the view from the window, a mirror, then the same kind of bathroom with the hand wash, commode, and shower and all that stuff with hot water. The other room that I showed first was a little more spacious than this, but this is also a bit spacious. You have the sofa set and all that, the telephones in case you want to call, and this is the view that we get from here. You will have a good view of the restaurant from here. As I go upstairs here, we have this third room here in the trunk house. This is the open terrace as we went on top of the other one. This is also pretty decent. You have handrails made like the roots of the trees. It's fantastic. So as I come down from the trunk house, there is also provision for campfire. You have this campfire setup, and you can sit all around here and have a good view of the trunk house also. So it's a beautiful stay. This resort is fantastic. It is in Peria location of Wayanad. It's an absolutely beautiful stay, and in case you are coming over here, you can book through their website, and also if you tell them you are a subscriber of Distraction Roots, you will get wonderful discounts from them. So that's it from this video. Catch up with yet another exciting video next week.